News 12 is highlighting the contributions of Asian Americans in our community throughout the month of May for Asian Pacific American Heritage Month. And we sat down with one woman who is breaking barriers in more ways than one. Blaise Gomez with our story from Goshen.
Hyun Chin Kim made history last November.
When I was running, I didn't see anybody who was an Asian American who ran for office.
As the first Asian American and first woman elected as Orange County Court Judge.
I think that my election in November of 2020 is a sentiment to this community that they look beyond race, they look beyond all the superficiality.
But during Kim's first few months on the bench, the nation also saw rising anti-Asian sentiment.
For people to actually distinguish one American from another simply based upon their race makes me very sad because it negates what my parents have done.
Kim immigrated to the United States from South Korea at the age of 3. Her parents became U.S. citizens and owned a restaurant where Kim experienced one of her first bouts with discrimination, delivering food while in law school. Even now, after a 25-year distinguished career, Kim says she still feels different.
The 3 other county court judges are male, white judges. They are fully staffed, so they have a court attorney and a secretary, and I am the only county court judge presently sitting in Orange County who has no staff.
Kim says she was told budget cuts are to blame and has since been allowed to hire a court attorney.
The term racism and discrimination, it means a lot.
In her personal life, Kim and her husband address those issues with their 2 daughters, who are now 17 and 19 years old.
It's just a continuing discussion ever since they were little, right? So it's you show respect to others and others will show respect to you. And if somebody is disrespectful, that is no reason for you to mirror that type of behavior.
A role model both at home and on the bench, Kim is excited to preside over her first trial and make sure the less privileged get fair treatment under the law.
There are no barriers, especially now. I feel like there is this rise in sentiment of diversity, equality, and inclusion. So now is the time. Do not think that you have any barriers. I hope I serve as an example of that.
And continue to be a trailblazer in the Hudson Valley. In Goshen, Blaise Gomez, News 12.